Today, we're going to talk about how to focus during online lectures. Online learning provides extra flexibility. You get to wake up, make some coffee, and hang out in your pajamas all day. However, online learning requires extra diligence and focus. Arguably, the biggest challenge associated with taking online classes is to stay focused. As we have moved to online instruction, your classroom is often your home, and it may seem impossible to avoid distractions. We want to help you set yourself up for successful online learning in this workshop. The objective of this workshop is to understand what you're most distracted by and learn how to decrease these distractions to increase your online learning success. To solve the distraction problem, the first step is to reflect and realize what our distractions are. Because without realizing the problem, we can't really fix the problem. Now, think about the last week of studying. Have you noticed anything particular that distracts you? Is it something external like noise or the environment around you, or is it something internal? Does your mind just wander off during lectures? It can also be the physical environment, such as clutters around your desk or the lighting in your room. And we are all at least a little bit distracted by the constant technology around us. Everyone's distractions are different. Loud music might block out distractions for some, but can be a huge distraction for others. So it's important to reflect and think about your distractions, and then we can tackle them together. In a face-to-face course, you split your time between a classroom and some place outside the classroom to study and complete assignments. With an online course, all of your time is spent outside of the classroom. Therefore, it's even more important that you have a good place to do your work. By completing your work there repeatedly, you begin to establish a routine. It's important to determine what type of environment will work best for you. Experiment to discover which type of settings boosts your productivity. First, you will need a quiet space to participate in lectures without distractions from things like television, family, or roommates. Discuss your quiet zone with your family or friends may be beneficial as well, so they understand that this is crucial to your academic success. Setting up a regular workspace will also help you stay organized. Reduce clutter in the physical space around has been proven to reduce distraction and improve productivity. Also, don't forget to consider ergonomics. Is your chair comfortable enough? Is your computer screen set a comfortable level for your eyes? Do you get enough lighting in your study space? These things can seem trivial, but they definitely help you to stay focused. From text messages to social media, you'll be faced with many technologies that can easily derail your focus during online lectures. Managing technology distractions can be especially challenging when you most likely have to use your computer to participate in online lectures. When the professor can see if you're paying attention, you may be tempted to multitask while attending an online lecture. I would definitely recommend to either turn off your phone or to put the do not disturb mode on your phone to turn off notifications. You might think responding a text message here or there won't make a big difference. However, those few seconds can completely interrupt your concentration during an online lecture. Many apps and tools also exist that can help online learners stay focused when using laptops and tablets. Here are some options on screen for Mac and Google Chrome. I'm sure you can find many more if you do a little research online. Even though online lectures might be recorded, take notes just as if you were in a traditional course. Don't let the convenience of being able to rewind and play it again keep you from taking notes. In fact, ditch the laptop and grab the old pen and paper. Research shows that when using laptops to take notes, students get distracted more and remember less. On top of that, you get less done. Multitasking causes productivity to fall by up to 40%. You should also take advantage of online lectures while taking notes. Write down the time of the lecture for each section of your notes so it's easier to refer back later. If your professor follows the syllabus when teaching, match your notes to the objectives and questions from syllabus. If you lose focus or feel lost during part of the lecture, indicate in your notes where this occurs with a symbol. This will help you to know where you need to follow up and review later. And review the material beforehand if possible. 10 minutes is all it takes to have a quick look online for a basic rundown of what you will probably encounter in the lecture. The lecture may end up being different, but your preparation will get you thinking about the subject in advance and help you focus on the content when you get in there. Also, don't forget to utilize the chat function on Zoom to ask questions during online lectures and stay engaged. Last but not least, moving around a bit will help you to wake up your body. If you find yourself falling asleep or not being able to stay focused, take advantage of the flexibility of remote learning. Stand while listening to the lecture, walk around your room a little bit. And here are the topics that we covered today. First, reflect and identify what distracts you the most. And then we covered how to reduce distractions from 3 different aspects. Establish an ideal physical workspace, reduce technological distractions, and treat online lectures like traditional ones.